Now that we've established that MavensMate is the best editor for Salesforce development, let me teach you how to install it. Fair warning, this installation process is a bit hairy, but I guarantee it's worse if you're installing the Force.com IDE. Don't worry, you only have to do this once. The first thing you should do is go to MavensMate.com. Click on the download link and you'll be brought to a screen like this. We'll install via the recommended option. I'll be doing this on a Mac. If you're not using a Mac, I recommend buying one and coming back. Just kidding. The installation process will be similar for other operating systems. Step 1. Open Sublime Text 3. This is the text editor behind MavensMate. MavensMate is actually just a plugin on top of Sublime Text. So we'll go to sublimetext.com, click the download button, and download Sublime Text 3. There are other versions available, but MavensMate says to use number 3. Once this is downloaded, we'll open up the download file and drag Sublime Text into our Applications folder. Step 1 is now done. Back to the MavensMate download page. Up on top, it says that Sublime Package Control must be installed, and it gives us a link. Clicking on the link brings us to a page with a simple and advanced installation option. Let's do the simple one. First, copy all the code provided. Then, open up Sublime and hit Control and the accent key at the same time. Not the apostrophe. I'm talking about the accent key, which should be near the Escape key. If you see a console open up like this, you did the right thing. Paste the code into the console, hit Enter, then wait for everything to finish loading. You may be prompted to restart Sublime. Play it safe and fully restart Sublime regardless of what message you see. Now it's time to install the actual MavensMate plugin. Click on Sublime Text, Preferences, Package Control. Choose the Install Package option. Then, in the search box, search for MavensMate and select it. Now MavensMate is installed, the next thing we need to do is configure it. The first thing we need to configure is our workspace. Go to MavensMate, Settings, User. In the Workspace section, we need to choose a location for our MavensMate project. I'm going to copy the example provided to use as a starting template, replacing the username with my actual computer username. This is your computer username, not your Salesforce username. Whatever folder location you decide to put in here, make sure it actually exists. I'm going to play it safe and have everything in my Documents folder. Now, save this file. Almost done. Time to connect MavensMate to your Salesforce org. Go to MavensMate, Project, New Project to open up the New Project wizard. A project is basically a connection to a Salesforce org. Let's name this project Apex Academy. Then, type the Salesforce username for your free developer org into this box. Enter your password and make sure to add your security token immediately after it. If you don't know your security token, log into your developer org, click your name, My Settings, Personal, then reset my security token. You'll get an email with your token. Add your token immediately after your password, choose Developer as your addition, then hit Create Project. If your screen now looks something like this, then congratulations, you've successfully installed MavensMate and you're ready to start coding. I promise you, MavensMate is worth all that trouble.